Hey guys, and it's time to give Apple a chance at redemption. Can the iPhone 8 Plus avenge the humiliation that it suffered against the hands of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus? If you want to watch that test, I will leave the link down below in the description. But yeah, you may be thinking that the 8 Plus has the same internals as the iPhone 10. Why do the speed test again? Well, it's a completely different software experience. There's no notch, there's no gesture-based thing. It's an old iPhone, and a lot of people said that I should do it again with the iPhone 8 Plus because it has better multitasking or better RAM management. That's where the 10 really messed up. So we're going to find out how this will go against the beast Galaxy S9 Plus. So as always, we're going to start this test off by booting both phones up at the same time. Here we go. And okay, S9 Plus logo comes up first. We'll see, can the iPhone 8 Plus defeat the fastest booting phone other than the Pixel? So, okay, Samsung logo, and okay, so the iPhone 8 Plus actually was just slightly faster than the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. That is interesting. Of course, the 8 Plus has a less resolution display as well, so that could be a thing. Gotta say, it's a good start for the iPhone 8 Plus, looking to avenge the iPhone 10. Everything is closed up in the background, as you can see, nothing opened. So as always, we're gonna start off with the basic stuff first, give it a little warm up. So here we go with the phone dialer app, boom. And I think that was about the same on both phones. Check out settings. And maybe a little bit faster on the 8 Plus. All right, let's get down to some serious business. So we're going to be launching the game first, which is the Asphalt 8 game. And okay, iPhone 8 Plus. Wow, done. And the Galaxy S9 Plus took some time there, even though the S9 Plus was faster than the iPhone 10 in loading up this game, but the iPhone 8 Plus is definitely bringing the A game from the A11. Let's see what else we have. So launching Instagram, and clearly Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus faster with the latest feed. Checking out my profile, that got loaded up as the same on both phones. Let's see this post, about the same. Snapchat, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Subway Surfers. Wow, what a speed. Oh my god, the iPhone 8 Plus is super fast. Galaxy S9 Plus, obviously games are not as quick as the Apple 11. Let's see, can the S9 Plus turn the table with pin-out game? Still a little bit quicker on the iPhone 8 Plus. Next up, we have Alto game. Let's see. So this time, the Galaxy S9 Plus is quicker there. Slight comeback, you can say. The iPhone 8 Plus certainly was right behind it. Let's check out Smash Hit. And almost the same. I think the 8 Plus was just tiny bit faster there. Again, you guys are the judge. Cora. And faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Twitter, Galaxy S9 Plus, really fast there. SoundCloud, S9 Plus. Spotify, and faster on the S9 Plus. So lastly, we'll be launching the cameras at the same time, and that was exactly the same real draw speed there. And I gotta say, the iPhone 8 Plus definitely feels faster in performance than the iPhone 10, and it was faster in most of the games except the Alto game. Other than that, other applications like Instagram, they were faster on the S9 Plus. That result was similar to the iPhone 10. But it's time to get down to the browser wars. So internet browser on the Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Safari on the iPhone 8 Plus. So first website we have is wikipedia.org. And as you can see, super fast on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. 8 Plus was right behind, but faster on the S9 Plus. You can see zooming in and out real quick on both phones. Instead, we got a bit of a heavy website, which is the WWE.com. And let's see, okay, S9 Plus faster, first one to come to the website. can it finish? Let's see. Okay, seems like the iPhone did finish up faster with the full website. S9 Plus is almost done. Can check the scrolling and everything. Everything is loaded. I don't know why there's still loading time up there. So I see that the S9 Plus was the first one to come to the website, which might be the main thing that matters to most people, because as soon as we get to the website, we start to scroll. So iPhone was just a little bit slow there, but I did finish up loading up the full website. Let's see, zooming in and out. Pretty smooth on both phones. Now let's get down to the interesting part of the test, which is the main reason why I performed it, is because of the RAM management. Can the iPhone 8 Plus truly avenge the iPhone 10, its cousin iPhone 10? So first up, we have phone dialer kept in the memory, and I can surely tell without a doubt that S9 Plus is the god of multitasking. Like 6 GB of RAM. This thing is insane. In all my tests, S9 Plus has consistently kept all the applications in the memory. So Asphalt 8, you can see still there, baby. And okay, still there on the iPhone 8 Plus. All right. Instagram, still there. Snapchat, Subway Surfers, still there. So you can see no refresh at all. Pinout, Alto, Smash Hit. Got Quora, still there. Twitter, Spotify, SoundCloud. We're back to the browser. So I have to say the iPhone 8 Plus has successfully avenged its cousin iPhone 10, and the RAM management is perfect. And now I believe that 8 Plus is actually faster and better in performance than the iPhone 10. It's completely proven now. And the S9 Plus, of course, it's the best performing Android phone that I've ever tested on my channel, period. That's the fact. So yeah, guys, that was the full speed test comparison between the iPhone 8 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If you guys don't know already, I am giving away a Galaxy S9. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, that's where I'm most active, and follow me on Twitter, that's where I'll be announcing the winner, and lastly, leave a comment below. So with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.